Hello everyone, how are you? I am back again for your next lecture. Okay, so in your previous lecture I had started chapter 2, Home Sweet Home. We had already completed these exercises. After that we had completed the reading part also, and I had taught you some new words. Today again I am here with some new words that also you have to write in your notebook. Okay, no need to write again and again chapter 2 Home Sweet Home. Just write new words and start writing with me. So these new words helps you for reading part. When you write and when you say the words again and again, it can inculcate your reading habit so that you can able to read the chapters properly and you can understand the meaning of the words. Okay, so write with me new words. Okay, new words. Okay, now write number 1 and start writing with me. Number 1, write the spelling of wind. W-I-N-D. विंड. विंड मतलब जो बहुत तेज हवा चलती है उसे हम बोलते हैं विंड. ओके, W-I-N-D, विंड. ओके, नाउ नंबर 2, राइट द स्पेलिंग ऑफ मिल्क. M-I-L-L, milk. And when you add these two words, it will become windmill. Windmill means बड़े बड़े फैंस जैसे होते हैं जो खुले ग्राउंड्स में लगाए जाते हैं जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. ओके, सो windmill. ओके, सो ओके, you write this. Now number 3, below. Below means नीचे. Below means नीचे. Like teachers are asking you now that keep your books, keep your notebooks below the table. That means table के नीचे रखो. So below means नीचे. Below means नीचे. So B-E-L-O-W, below. Okay, now number 4. Number 4. Okay, say and write. Okay, say and write. Okay, now ocean. Spelling of ocean. Write this. Say and write. W-I-N-D, wind. M-I-L-L, milk. B-E-L-O-W, below. O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Okay. After this, number 5. Number 5. On number 5, write the spelling of family. Means परिवार. F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. See beta, I have no space here, so that's why I am writing here. But you have space in your notebook. After number 4, you can write, skip one line and write number 5 after number 4. Okay. No need to write like this. If you had no space in your notebook, then take new page and write it properly. Okay. Number 6, spelling of friend. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Number 7. Number 7, spelling of side. S-I-D-E, side. Side means इधर या इधर. जैसे कम एंड स्टैंड बाय माई साइड मतलब मेरे पास आके खड़े हो जाओ, मेरे साइड में खड़े हो जाओ. ओके, कीप दिस चेयर दिस साइड, कीप दिस चेयर दिस साइड. मतलब हम बताते हैं ना कि आप इस तरफ हमारी चेयर रख दो या इस तरफ हमारी चेयर रख दो, दैट मीन्स साइड, SIDE, साइड. ओके, नाउ स्टोरी, STOREY, story. This story means floors. This story means floor. Like this, in a building we are having ground floor, then first floor, then second floor, then third floor, then fourth floor. So these are the stories. Okay, these are the stories. Okay, so STOREY, story. Story means floors. Story means floors. Okay, write the spelling of story. Okay, now after this, see, again I have no space, so I am going to write here number 9. Okay, number 9. On number 9, write the spelling of safe. SAFE, safe. Okay, SAFE, safe. SAFE, safe. After that, sound. SOUND, sound. Okay, sound. After that, heart. Spelling of heart. Heart मतलब दिल. HEART, heart. Okay, in your story, in your reading comprehension page, that word is there na, a home can be where you have your heart. That means हमारा दिल हमारे घर में रहता है जब हम हमारे मम्मी पापा के पास, हमारे पेरेंट्स के पास, हमारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ रहते हैं, तो हमें हमारे घर में बहुत अच्छा लगता है ना. आप लोगों को अच्छा लगता है ना, तो हार्ट, हमारा दिल हमारे घर में है जहाँ पे सब लोग रहते हैं, क्योंकि वो सब आपको क्या करते हैं, प्यार करते हैं, है ना, इसलिए. ओके, हार्ट. नंबर 12. नाउ नंबर 12. Okay, this you have to write in your notebook. Okay, now wide. Wide means चौड़ा. WIDE, wide. Wide means चौड़ा. Wide means चौड़ा. Okay, WIDE, wide. Write these words. Okay, once again repeat after me, so that when you write the spellings, you can repeat the spelling, so that you can able to read the spellings. WIND, wind. WIND, wind. WIND, wind. MILL, mill. MILL, mill. BELOW, below. BELOW, below. OCEAN, ocean. OCEAN, ocean. FAMILY, family. FAMILY, family. FRIEND, friend. FRIEND, friend. SIDE, side. SIDE, side. STOREY, story. SAFE, safe. SAFE, safe. SOUND, sound. SOUND, sound. HEART, heart. HEART, heart. WIDE, wide. WIDE, wide. Okay, so these spellings you have to write in your notebook and you have to read the story. That words. No need to by heart. Okay, आपको इसको याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप इसे पढ़िए. When you will read the spelling, so that you can able to read the chapter also properly. आपको कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएंगी जब आप चैप्टर रीड करोगे ना, कि ये क्या है मम्मा, इसको क्या बोलते हैं, क्योंकि अगर आप ये न्यू वर्ड्स को लिखोगे और आप इसको बार बार रिपीट करोगे, तो आपको अपने आप इन स्पेलिंग्स की, वर्ड्स की पता चल जाएंगे, नेम्स की, इनको क्या बोलते हैं, तो आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. ओके, ओके. After that, take out your page number 1 to 12 in your English textbook. Reading comprehension. The page is there in your book. Page number 12. Reading comprehension that you have to do. Okay. Now I am going to erase these and I am going to do this exercise on the board, and you do this exercise in your book. Okay. Okay, tick the correct option on page number 12. Page number 12. Tick, T-I-C-K. Tick the correct. Tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. Okay. Number 1. See, number 1 you read a home can be made of. A home आपने ये चैप्टर पढ़ा है, इसमें लिखा है ये आंसर इसका. A home can be made up of sticks and leaves. Number 1. Number 2 is sticks and mud. So the right option is number 1. What is written here? Sticks. S-T-I-C-K-S. Sticks and leaves. Sticks and leaves. And number 2, what is the option? Sticks and mud. Okay, so your right option is sticks and mud. Okay, जो कच्चा घर होता है उसको बनाते हैं लकड़ियों से और मिट्टी से, मड से. तो जो मिट्टी का घर होता है, कच्चा घर होता है, वो लकड़ियों और मिट्टी से बनता है. So sticks and mud is the right option. Okay. Number 2. Number 2. What is written there on number 2? A home can have. See, in your reading part, it is written 20 stories. Okay. And in this option, it is written there 20 stories and 10 stories. Okay. 20 stories. It is written here. 20 T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 stories. S-T-O-R-E-Y-S. And another option it is written here 10 stories. What is the meaning of stories? I told you na, stories means floors. जैसे ground floor, फिर first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor and so on. तो वो जो floors होते हैं उनको बोलते हैं stories. Okay? So इस हमने जो रीडिंग पार्ट अभी पढ़ा था कल हमने, उसमें क्या है कि एक बिल्डिंग में कितनी स्टोरीज हो सकती है? द आंसर इज 20 स्टोरीज. ओके. नाउ नंबर 3. नंबर 3. अ होम कैन बी अंडर द. नंबर 3 इज अ होम कैन बी अंडर द. द ऑप्शंस आर ओशन, O-C-E-A-N, and another option is tree. So according to this chapter, the correct answer is ocean. Okay. Now number 4. Number 4. You can be safe and sound in a. आप सुरक्षित कहाँ हो? सेफ मतलब सुरक्षित. आप अपने आप को सुरक्षित कहाँ महसूस करते हो? फॉरेस्ट, जंगल में या घर में? ओके. नंबर 1 is written here forest. F-O-R-E-S-T forest. Number 2 is home. So हम सभी अपने आप को कहाँ सुरक्षित महसूस करते हैं? Home. Okay. So put the option, correct option on home. This is the right answer. After that number 5. In your home you can be with. आप अपने घर में जब रहते हो तो आपके घर में आपकी फैमिली मेंबर्स भी रहते हैं और आपके फ्रेंड्स भी आते जाते रहते हैं, या ओनली फैमिली मेंबर्स होते हैं? तो आंसर इज फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स. सो आपका नंबर 5 पे ऑप्शन दे रखा है फैमिली, फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स. एंड सेकंड ऑप्शन दे रखा है ओनली फैमिली. So the correct answer is family and friends. So this you have to do in your book. Okay, on page number 12. On page number 12, this you have to do in your book. Okay. Okay. After this beta, number B, answer these questions. This we will do afterwards. Before that we will do some another exercises. Okay, now see, read this enjoying the poem rhyming words. Okay, what is the meaning of rhyming words? राइमिंग वर्ड्स वो होते हैं जो एक जैसी टोन होती है. जैसे फर्स्ट आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू इन हिंदी. मैं आपको हिंदी में बताती हूँ. जैसे आप बोलो नानी, ठीक है, आप बोलो पानी, रानी, धानी, ये सब एक जैसे सुनने में लग रहे हैं. सो दीज आर राइमिंग वर्ड्स. अब हम इंग्लिश में अगर हम इनको बोलेंगे जैसे वाइड, साइड, मोर, अडोर, जो सुनने में एक जैसे लगते हैं, जो सुनने में एक जैसे लगते हैं, जिनका टोन सेम होता है, उसे बोलते हैं राइमिंग वर्ड्स. So there are some rhyming words in your book also on page number 1313 that we will complete. Okay, that we will do how to do that words. Okay, so do with me that words. Okay, should I erase this? You had completed these options. Okay, now page number 1313 now we will do. Okay, page number 1313. Now page number 13, some rhyming words are there, so we are going to complete this rhyming words. Okay, so that also you have to do in your book itself, no need to write in your notebook. Okay, number 1, see, sun is written there, sun, sun is written there, and 2 blanks are there in your book. In that 2 blanks, अब हमें क्या करना है? Already written here bun and fun. Bun and fun. See, अब आप पढ़ो sun, bun, fun. Same rhyming word लग रहा है? Same rhyming words है. अब हमें इसे ही सेकेंड नंबर पे देखना है क्या लिखा है. In your book it was written pet. P-E-T, pet. अब हमें इसका 2 rhyming words बनाना है. आप सोचो क्या बन सकता है इसका. सो नेट, पेट, नेट एंड जेट. J-E-T, जेट. सी, पेट, नेट, जेट. ओके, सो दीज आर द राइमिंग वर्ड्स. लाइक दिस नंबर 3. व्हाट इज रिटन देयर? बॉल. B-A-L-L, बॉल. अब इसका बनेगा टॉल. T-A-L-L, टॉल. And C-A-L-L, call. Ball, tall, call. Okay, so these are the rhyming words. Number 4, what is written there? Kit. K-I-T, kit. So what now we will make kit? Sit. Okay, sit and bit. Okay, number 5, what is written there on number 5? Dog. Dog. So here we can write fog and log. Okay, so this you have to do in your notebook. These are known as rhyming words. See, sun, bun, fun. Once again repeat, sun, bun, fun. Pet, net, jet. Pet, net, jet. Ball, tall, call. Kit, sit, bit. Dog, fog, log. Okay, dog, fog, log. Okay, now do these words in your book and repeat that words also. Okay. See, rhyming words means which they rhyme same, जो सुनने में बिल्कुल सेम लगते हैं. Sun, bun, fun. Pet, net, jet. Ball, tall, call. Kit, sit, bit. Dog, fog, log. Okay, so after completing this we will do another exercise. Okay. Okay, now may I erase this? You had completed this. Okay, now after this, spellings plurals. What is the meaning of plural? Singular, plural, do you know? Singular, plural, singular and plural. What is the meaning of singular, plural? Singular have single thing, like for example, one pen is there. So what is this pen? And if I am having 2 or 3 pens or more than that, then what I will say? Pens. These is the meaning of plural. Singular means अगर एक कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट है तो दैट इज सिंगुलर, और अगर ऑब्जेक्ट 2 या 2 से ज्यादा है, मैनी मोर है, दे आर प्लूरल्स. जैसे यहाँ पे सिंगल पेन है, सो इट इज ओनली पेन. If you are having 2 pen, 3 pen, 4 pen or more than that, then what you will say? Pens. So this is the difference between singular and plural. This is the difference between singular and plural. So now we will do the exercise of the same. Okay. After that, spellings. Read these words. See, stick is written there. So stick is a single stick. Stick. S-T-I-C-K is stick, and here if you are having 2 or 3 or more than that, then what you will say? Sticks. These are sticks. What you will say? This is a stick. पर ये 1 से ज़्यादा है. These are sticks because they are in plural form. So these, okay. This is a stick. For singular, if you make the sentence, it is like this. This is a stick. But for plural, what we have to make the sentence? These are sticks. Okay. In the same way, gift and gifts. So here gift, single gift is there. Okay. Gift. But if you are having more than there, on your birthday you are getting gifts, na? So you are getting more gifts. So if it is more than 1, then it will be gifts. So this is the difference between singular and plural. Singular and plural. Okay. So some spellings are written there. So tick the correct plural of these words. Okay. हमें इसका प्लूरल लिखा है, एक गलत लिखा है, एक सही लिखा है. तो जो सही ऑप्शन है उसे हमें टिक करना है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट वर्क. ओके. सी what they had written. Number 1, toy. T-O-Y, toy. And what is the in option they had written? Toys and toy. See, जब भी y आता है उसके साथ कभी भी es का प्लूरल नहीं लगता है. y के साथ सिर्फ s लगता है, es कभी नहीं लगता है. तो राइट ऑप्शन इज दिस वन, टॉयज. ओके. सेम वे, ट्रेन. T-R-A-I-N, ट्रेन. So what they had written here? T-R-A-I-N-S, trains, and T-R-A-I-N-E-S, trains. So the correct option is trains. Okay. Okay, now third one is angel. Angel, and the options are angel and angels. Okay. Angel and angels. So number 4, bear. Bear मतलब भालू. Okay. And what they are written here? Bears and bears. The correct option is bears. Number 5, cat. Okay. And what they are written here? Caps and cat. So right option is caps. listen one thing beta, if the words ends with vowels, there are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, okay. If it ends with these vowels, if the spelling ends with these vowels, then we will put IES and ES. पर अगर कोई भी स्पेलिंग कॉन्सोनेंट से स्टॉप हो रही है तो हम कभी भी ES और IES नहीं लगाएंगे. आप देखो Y is a consonant, Y is not a vowel, so this is the right spelling. यहाँ N है, N is also a consonant, N is not a vowel, इसलिए हम यहाँ पे ES वाली स्पेलिंग नहीं करेंगे, S वाली स्पेलिंग सिर्फ करेक्ट करेंगे. एंजल, एंजल्स, बेयर, R is not a vowel or is a consonant. So अगर consonant है तो हम ES वाली स्पेलिंग करेक्ट नहीं होगी, इसके लिए S लगेगा सिर्फ bears. The same way cap, P is not a vowel, so caps. ओके हमें एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखना इसमें कि अगर कोई भी स्पेलिंग हमारी वॉवेल से एंड होती है, ए से, ई से, आई से, ओ से या यू से, तो हम ES और IES उसमें लगाते हैं, नहीं तो हमेशा S ही लगाया जाता है प्लूरल्स में. Okay, so do this exercise in your book. Okay, do this exercise in your book. Okay, now afterward take out page number 1 for 14. Writing part you have to do 1 for 14. Okay. Number 1 for 14. Okay, on that see the picture is there in your book. This picture is there in your book. So according to these pictures they had written some words. So using these words we have to make the sentence. Okay, see one they had done for you. This house has a red roof. Roof means छत. कौन से कलर की छत है ये? Red. So this house has a red roof. Roof मतलब छत. Okay. So number 2 now we will do. See, roof is there. Roof is there. Roof is written there. Chimney is written there. Windows is written there. Door is written there. Garden is written there. So number 2 is chimney. See, इसको chimney बोलते हैं. Okay, this is a chimney. So this house you can write this house has a red chimney or one chimney, you can write anything, you can write. So this THIS, this house, HOUSE, house has a red chimney. Okay, this you can write. Number 3 windows. Okay, number 3 what is it as? Windows. So it has, you can write, it has 2 windows. Okay, after completing the words put full stop also. Number 4 door. Okay, so you can write this house has one door. Full stop. Number 5 garden. Okay, so you can write here it has a beautiful garden. This sentence you can write, okay, in your book. This 5 sentence. Do this beta. See what you have to do, you have to look the picture and you have to describe the picture in your sentences. See, this house has one red roof, that already written here. Second number, this house has a chimney also, you can write this house as a chimney or you can write this house as a red chimney, what I have written on the board. So it has 2 windows, using these because this house has 2 windows. So what I have written, it has 2 windows. Then door, it has 1 door because this house, what we are seeing, 1 door is there. Okay, so it has 1 door. And garden, so it has a beautiful garden. See, here I think 3 windows are there. One window is there also upside. Okay, so it has 3 windows. You can write here. It has 3 windows. Okay, so complete these 5 sentences in your book and read the sentence also. Tomorrow we will do the question answers of this chapter. Okay, so tomorrow we will do the question answers. Today only this much you have to do. So what I had taught you today? New words, about 12 new words I taught you that you have to write in your notebook. Write CW, date and heading new words and start writing that 12 new words and repeat it also. When you write, then repeat it again and again. Okay. After that, you have to complete page number 12 in your book. Tick the correct option. Okay. After that, on page number 13, rhyming words that I had already taught you on the board that you have to do in your book. Okay. Then correct form of singular plural that you have to do in your book. Okay. Put the tick mark on the correct option. After that, write these 5 sentences in your book. Okay. And tomorrow we will do the question answers of these chapters. Okay. Okay. Now bye. Have a nice day and enjoy your day. Bye bye.